Hello guys, welcome back to GENSSI Warehouse. Today what we're going to do is take you through all the parts and pieces that comes with the sport bike stands, and also how to differentiate between the parts for the front stand and the rear stand, because if you do buy a combo from us, they will all come in one box, so you have to make sure you figure out basically what parts go with what, and also how to assemble the stands. So let's go ahead and get started basically differentiating between the front and rear. So the first thing we'll do is these big pieces right here. So you're going to have basically the front is always going to be much smaller than the rear, as you can see here. So the front is smaller than the actual rear. So next we'll do the legs. The legs on the front stand will have a flange, as you can see here. It's welded on there. So the fronts will have this flange versus the rears will not have a flange. And the rears will also have an Allen bolt that essentially attached to the top. The front will use these pieces right here, which essentially will allow you to lift the front tire by lifting the front forks. Versus the rear will have these hooks here, which essentially you have to use your spools, which you have to have spools on your swing arms to allow you to essentially lift the bike through this hook. And you have to have dual swing arms, so you can't use an 848. You can't do a Panigale or 1299 as an example. You have to have dual swing arms for this to work. And they'll both basically come with two bolts. Each bolt will have two washers, and each bolt will have a nut. So two for the front and two for the rear. They're both identical, so there's no differentiation between both of them. Now, let's go ahead and get started for installation. So the first thing you're going to do is we'll do the rear stand. Is you're going to take these hooks right here, and you're going to notice that the hook will have a flat portion. That flat portion will essentially have to slide right in. And then you'll basically make sure that there's a contact between the Allen bolt and the flat portion. That's how you'll be able to tighten them down. And the reason for that is because from bike to bike, if you have a 600, if you have basically maybe a 250 versus a 1000, they might have different widths on the swing arm, so you might have to adjust it accordingly towards you before your bike and then basically tighten it down. So you do the exact same thing on the opposite side as well. The only thing that will be left is essentially to install the top portion to the legs. And that's easy. All you have to do is just basically slide it in. You basically match the holes, and you'll go ahead and insert the bolts. Now you're going to have one washer on the inside and one washer on the outside. So you keep one washer on the bolt, slide it in, you'll put another washer on the inside, and then you'll put the nut right back on there, and you'll tighten that down, and you just go ahead and repeat the exact same thing on this side as well. That basically takes care of the rear. For the front, it's the exact same scenario with attaching the top portion to the legs. When it comes to these right here, you're going to have these pins right here you're going to have to pull out. So once you pull out these pins, then you can insert these right in, and then depending on the width of the front, you'll be able to insert the pin right back inside. And that will basically get you the correct width for your bike, and it'll keep it basically set. So all you have to do now is basically repeat on the opposite side, and then you'll do the exact same thing that we did on the rear stand to install the top portion to the legs. Thanks for watching.